Here we go. eFlite, 1.2 meter spit. And the wind just picked up within the last 2 minutes.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh, look at that wind, rocked it over.
David, you want a Coke?
No, I'm good. Thank you, sir. Yeah, it was a sketchy takeoff. I was going way too slow. Jaw jacking, not paying attention. If it wasn't for the wind, it would have stalled out. As it was rolling out, it got up underneath the wing and rocked it over. I was worried about just using the ailerons to get it back level. And next thing I knew, it got up underneath it once the wings got level and started giving it some lift. So I gave it a little bit of throttle to compensate for it. This is definitely my favorite eFlite warbird in the 1.2 size. Followed by the Corsair. Then the Mustang. The last is the P-47. I didn't care for the P-47. Nah, I would love to try the T-28 that they have. I'm sure it flies really well also. Okay, Jim, take care.
It does fly nice.
I love this plane. It is by far my favorite warbird. I mean, this particular model, I'm not saying Spitfire, you know, in general, just as far as looks, I don't think you can beat the Corsair. I think those are beautiful airplanes. You know, funny story, I bought this thing, it was on sale, and it's set literally in the box for about a year. And Jim had picked up a Spitfire Park Zone model at a swap meet. Real good price. I think he paid like 60 bucks for it or something. And I was never a real big Spitfire fan. You gotta catch that? You gotta catch your phone?
No.
Oh.
I just got a text from a guy that I used to work with.
Oh.
He just got a new job in Tampa and ran into another one of our friends.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, so he let me fly his Spitfire, and I fell in love with it. I was like, man, that thing flies good. Immediately went home, put mine together. It's funny, when you leave a job, you tend to stay in touch a lot, and then as time goes by, it's fewer and fewer times.
I'm just the opposite. I told everybody, I said, see me on Facebook occasionally, I'll send you a birthday card because I love you guys, but I'm not going to be talking to you every day, find out what's going on.
Yeah.
I want to stay out of the business, and I told my boss that. I said, I'm just not going to be around unless you need me for something, and by all means, call me, text me, email me.
Well, I agree with that, but I'm talking about your people that you worked for you and stuff.
I just